Hello everyone! Welcome to the Teachers of English Exchange Club. My name is Nelly. Dear teachers, now you are going to watch a demo lesson. Please pay attention to the following questions. First, how did the teacher present the new vocabulary? Second, how did she work with the meaning, pronunciation and form? I will use the materials from the course book for the 5th grade. Let's start. Hello everyone! How are you today? Hope everything is okay. Let's start our lesson. Please look at the picture. What do you think we're going to talk about today? Yes, you are right. It's food. You are smart cookies. If a person is clever and has good ideas, do we call him or her a smart cookie? Yes, we do. This is David. He is very clever. Does he study well? Yes, he does. Is he a smart cookie? Yes, David is a smart cookie. Do you want to be smart cookies? Yes. Then let's learn some new words. Look at the picture. What is it? It's jam. Let's repeat it all together. Jam. Jam. Can you spell it? J-A-M. Jam. Good. What do you call this fruit? It's pineapple. Pineapple. Let's spell it. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. What do you see in this picture? It's cucumber. Let's repeat it all together. Cucumber. Cucumber. How do you spell it? Yes. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. What do you call this vegetable? It's broccoli. Can you repeat after me? Broccoli. Broccoli. Let's spell it. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Good. What do you see in this picture? Is it a drink? Is it an orange juice? Yes, it is. Let's repeat together. Orange juice. Orange juice. Let's spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Orange juice. And the last one. What is it? It's cheese. Yes, let's repeat together. Cheese. Cheese. How do you spell it? C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Very good. Now, let's check your memory. Can you name them? For example, number 3 is a cucumber. Right. What is number 1? It's jam. Right. What do you see in the picture number 2? Is it an apple? No, it's pineapple. Right. What about number 4? Broccoli. What do you call a drink in picture number 5? Orange juice. And the last one? Cheese. Very good. Please look at the words. Jam, cheese, cucumber, broccoli, orange juice, and pineapple. Pineapple, is it a vegetable? No, it's fruit. So you need to put it into the first column. And what about broccoli? Is it a vegetable? Yes, it is. So put it into the second column. Now do it yourself. Let's check it together. Did you have any problems? Seems like no mistakes. Well done. Let me ask you a question. What food do you like? Oh, interesting. If you ask me, I'll say that I love pineapples. And can you count pineapples? Let's try, by the way. How many pineapples do you see in the picture? 4? 5? Let's count. 1 pineapple, 2 pineapple, 3 pineapples. 3, good. If we can count things, they are called countable nouns. They have singular form, 1 apple, 1 pineapple, and plural form, 3 apples, 5 pineapples. But can you count milk? No. Things we can't count are called uncountable nouns. They are always singular. Milk, cheese. So look at the table and copy it into your notebooks. Look at these words, please. Are they countable or uncountable? Apples. Can you count apples? Let's try. 1, 2, 3 apples. Yes, you can. So where do you put it into the first column? Yes, into the first column. If it's countable, can you make it plural? Apple, apples. Good. And what about bread? Is it countable? No, uncountable. So do you put it into the first column or second column? Yes, the second one. You're right. So please do it yourself. Let's check it together. Please look through the answers and check your ideas. Well done. Smart cookies know a lot of information. Are you smart cookies? Then learn the new words at home. And our lesson is over. Goodbye. See you soon. Dear teachers, I hope you've enjoyed watching the demo lesson. Let's come back to the questions asked in the beginning.
Nelly, I noticed that you used only pictures to present vocabulary, right?
Yes. Actually, there is a big variety of techniques that we can use to present the new vocabulary. Can you recall them, by the way?
I can use pictures, realia, gestures, acting out, synonyms or antonyms, definitions, diagrams, situation, personal anecdote, giving examples, providing translation. Quite a lot, isn't it? Now the question is how to choose the best technique then?
Frankly speaking, there is no such thing called the best technique. The best technique depends on the word and of course on the level of your students. If you can show a picture or really, just do it. So here is a mug. Here is a mug. Isn't it the best technique in this case? If it's a verb, just act it out. So for example, clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Or run, just act
run,
out.
yes, swim, etc. If it's an abstract notion, then of course give a definition.
Yeah, it's impossible to act out abstract notion. You are right.
Yes.
I noticed you were not asking the concept check questions, CCQs.
Yes, you're right. You know, concept check questions are important when the meaning of the verb is not clear. But if you provide the picture, I think the questions are not necessary.
I see. I also wonder why you drilled pronunciation first and only then showed the form of the word. Why to do it?
I think the teacher should pronounce the word herself first to provide an example and only then ask the students to repeat after her. First, the choral drilling should be provided when all students repeat all together, and only then you can ask individual students to repeat after you. In this case, students will feel more confident. The teacher can show the written form only after the oral one because students can mispronounce the word and remember the incorrect variant.
I see. Okay. And why did you ask students to spell the word?
The teacher should always try to elicit information from students. It will motivate them and make them participate in the lesson actively.
Okay, that's right.
Dear teachers, thank you for being with us today. I am eager to receive your feedback. Contact us at our website. Goodbye.
Thank you, Nelly. See you soon.